This is how to fix you can't use this feature right now on Facebook. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Facebook account. Once you are logged into your Facebook account, now here simply you have to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you click on this profile icon, now it will open this menu. From here you have to simply scroll down and go to the help and support option. After that, here you have to click on the report a problem option at the bottom. Once you click on it, now here you have to simply click on the continue to report a problem option. After that, it will take you to this page. Now click on the don't include in report option, and after that from here you have to simply select the product where you are facing the issue. Now at this page you have to type in the issue that you are facing. Like, I'm facing this issue, you can't use this feature right now, and now I will type in fix this issue as soon as possible, and then click on the send option at the top right corner. Now as you can see that I have successfully submitted my feedback. Now for the second fixes, what you have to do is you have to go to your mobile settings, and once you are there in your mobile settings, now here you have to simply scroll down and go to the apps and management option. And once you are there in the apps and management, now here you have to simply search for the Facebook app. Now you have to click on it. After that you have to force stop the app or offload your app. It will fix any bugs and error if there are any in the app and clear the cache of the app. After that, try to reopen your Facebook app and check if the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still not fixed, you can try uninstalling your Facebook app and then reinstall it. So that's how to fix you can't use this feature right now on Facebook.